Daenerys has been a fantastic organization to work with. They really have put on such a great event. It was our first time attending. Every step of the way, from signing on to being at the actual event, the team has been so supportive and pleasant, flexible, and really, really awesome to work with.
We really met a lot of clients, potential clients, decision makers, and it's really great to put those contacts in place and meet face to face.
We've had very good meetings set up at the show, at our booth, and we're meeting with a number of very interesting people in the industry.
The summit's great. It's always good to learn from industry experts. I feel like the topics are very relevant in the industry today, so I do feel like we find that very beneficial, along with meeting and networking with future and current partners.
I've had a really wonderful experience at the Manufacturing Summit here in Boston, learning from so many different leaders and executives in the space, learning some of their challenges and how they plan to overcome them, and really learning how solutions like industrial CT scanning can fit in to help solve some of those problems.
Yeah, we had a very good few days here. We met a lot of very good clients, large pharma and biotech, and it really helped to broaden our network throughout the industry. So we're really satisfied with how things went.